Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the affordable price point and luxurious soft Banarasi cut and silk material. This entire collection you received at just rupees 999 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can explore our website www.vastranand.in and you check more than 5000 plus designs available in different concepts, different price range and different quality. Let's start the video. Here you can see the lemon yellowish green color combination with a very beautifully crafted the Rudraksham border in a both side of the sari parts with magenta color combination and magenta color combination the rich pallu. Let me show you. Here you can see the full rich pallu parts with the Rudraksham buttas in rich pallu with a golden zari weaves and contrast color combination and black color combination resin with tassels part. Here you can see in full body parts here is a lemon green color combination with golden zari weaves, elegant the scripted designs in a waving part with contrast magenta color combination, the Rudraksham border. Now Retapet style border. Here you can see the both side you receive the same size border part with the Rudraksham detailing in entire the border part. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the Rudraksham border with the golden zari weaves and Retapet wine color combination border part. The saree you received at just rupees 999 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse detailing. In blouse part you receive the magenta color combination with the Rudraksham detailing in entire the blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. If you need help any kind of this collection, then must be connect our customer care number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and you can text in our WhatsApp number. Let me show you the second color combination with dark magenta color combination with contrast yellow color combination border part with the very beautifully crafted the rose designs in entire the body part. Let me show you the full look of this saree. These top trending designs. Let me show you the pallu part. Here you can see the yellow color combination, the rich pallu with the golden zari weaves and black color combination resin tassels part. Look at the full look of the saree part. In entire the body parts, you receive the golden zari rose design. Rose designs in entire the weaving part of the saree part with a yellow color combination, the bantex border with the golden zari self weaving in entire the border part. Both side you receive the same size border. Here you can see the same size border with a very beautifully crafted the rose designs in entire the body part. Let me show you the softness of this saree. Here you can see the fill foil of this saree part, premium quality, the soft cotton silk material. Let me show you the blouse detailing. In blouse part you receive the yellow color combination blouse. Here you can see the contrast color combination blouse with a golden zari self buttas in entire the blouse piece. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime and we are providing the video call shopping also. So if you need to shopping via video call facility, then must be book your slot one day before in our customer care number. Let me show you the last but not the least the Narayan Pet style with a Yevla fusions in a border part with a golden yellow color combination. Here you can see the golden yellow color combination and very beautifully crafted the luxurious feel contrast green color combination, the border part, small border in both side of the saree in shoulder part and bottom part. Here you can see the contrast green color combination, the rich pallu with the golden zari weaves and same black color combination resin tassels part. At every body parts you receive the very beautifully crafted the golden zari buttas in entire the body part. Here you can see the golden zari buttas entire the body parts as well as golden zari weaves the self designs in a border part. The saree you received at just rupees 999 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the green color combination contrast. Blouse piece Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.